This video will help you assemble a 3-meter pallet racking upright from a foldable rack. You will need a 17mm drive socket and a 14mm drive socket for this assembly. First, have your uprights lifted so that you have space to screw in the necessary screws. You want to have the foots assembled first. Have the bolt and flat washer facing outwards and then screw the nut in. Now you want to get your 17mm drive socket and tighten them up. Make sure that it is not loose. First, get the shorter crossbeam and start with the third hole. Then get the spacer and put the long bolt through from the bottom up and tighten it with your fingers. You then want to get the long crossbeam and place it on top of the short crossbeam and screw in the bolt and nut. Next, go to the other side and place the other short crossbeam in. This is to keep the uprights from moving when you are working on it. Here you want to make sure there is a space of 7 holes and then 15 holes. Once you have done this, get your 14mm drive socket and tighten the screws. Make sure that it is not loose. And there you have it. This is how you assemble a 3-meter pallet racking upright from Affordable Rack.